Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at 5 incredible skin growths. Skin tags. Skin tags are little growths of skin with a bulge at the end. They usually form in places where your skin rubs together, like your neck, armpits, or groin. For the most part, you don't need to worry about them. But if they're painful, bleeding, or irritated, show your doctor. They can freeze or cut them off, or use a mild electric current to remove them. Don't try to get rid of them yourself. That can cause bleeding or an infection. Keloids. A keloid is a bump of scar tissue that grows past a wound's bounds. It may keep growing weeks after your skin heals. More common in dark skin, keloids can form anywhere, but often they're on earlobes, shoulders, the upper back, chest, or cheeks. They're not harmful, so if they don't bug you, you can leave them alone. But if one is too big or itchy, you can have it treated or removed. To prevent them, avoid piercings or surgery that you don't need. Seborrheic keratosis. These thick, rough bumps can look waxy or scaly, like they're pasted on. You can get them anywhere on your skin. They may have a warty surface, but they aren't contagious. Seborrheic keratoses start small, but they can grow to more than an inch wide. Some itch, but most are painless and don't need treatment. If you have one that looks like skin cancer, your doctor may remove it just to be safe. Dermatofibroma. A dermatofibroma is a small, firm bump that usually appears on your legs in a reddish-brown color. It has nerves and blood vessels, so it can bleed if it's damaged. For example, if you shave over it. It's not clear what causes them, but you may get one after a minor injury like a bug bite. These bumps are harmless, but always let your doctor know about anything new on your skin. They can remove it if it bothers you, and it won't go away on its own. Skin cysts. These small flesh-colored sacs under your skin are filled with keratin, a soft, cheese-like protein. The slow-growing bumps form when a hair follicle or oil gland is blocked or damaged. Most skin cysts are benign, and won't need treatment unless they hurt, leak, or bother you. But it's best to have a doctor check them out to rule out a more serious condition, especially if they get red, painful, or swollen. There are actually dozens of different skin growths and blemishes. Can you name what this is? Leave a comment with your answer. And subscribe for new medical videos every week. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to get an Extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US. So you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.